Hey, I'm writing a story. I'm gonna have you practice a couple of voices with me for different characters. So for the first one, I'm thinking we're gonna have like a majestic lion. He's kind of like an old king in his den. And I want you to say something like, who goes there? Be the lion. I really want you to like embody what that might feel like.
Who goes there?
Okay,
How's that for a minute?
that's pretty good. Now I want to add a second character, maybe a mouse that snuck into the cave. The mouse could say something like, "Oh, it's no one."
Oh, it's no one. How's that for a little?
That's not bad. Could you make it a little squeakier, more like tiny, more like mouse-like?
Oh, it's no one. How's that?
That's pretty good. Okay, let's toss in an owl. Make the owl sound like wise, a little bit stoic. And the owl could kind of be like an advisor to the lion or something.
Who dares enter the king's den?
Okay, yeah, that's pretty good. Now let's think about what the villain might be. I don't know what animal would work best, but let's start with like some kind of laughter. Give me like a nice, evil, maniacal laugh. Not bad. Too squeaky. Make it more like deep and kind of manic, I guess. Do you think you can do that? Okay, yeah, that's a little creepy. What animal do you think would work best for this character?
For a villain with that kind of laugh, maybe a slithery snake or a cunning fox.
All right, say something the fox would say, I guess.
Earl King, your reign ends tonight.
That's pretty good. How about you say that with the laughter at the end? Let's see what that feels like.
Oh, King, your reign ends tonight.
That's pretty good. Thanks.
Great.